Show me the chicken.
The social network is an absolute must-see can't-miss movie of the year. And now it's the #1 movie in America 2 weeks in a row. This is our time. The Social Network, rated PG-13, now playing. Sometimes they I'm Mike. And right now, with the easy-to-save event from Xfinity, saving money is easy. Switch to the Xfinity Triple Play, only from Comcast now for $99 a month for the first 12 months, and we'll guarantee your rate for 2 years. Get the best on it.
We'll definitely put that on the video of me.
This is the video of you. Video of you drawing.
No, I said on the TV.
Okay.
See my hand?
That's it.
I was you seeing my hand.
See? Okay, now just finish your chicken.
I was you seeing my hand.
Finish your chicken, then we'll watch it, okay? When did you start drawing chickens?
In Miss Mary's house.
Just today, right?
Yeah, look.
It's very good. You just started drawing chickens today. This is the first time I've seen you draw a chicken. That's a pretty good chicken.
Can I see it?
Yes.
That?
Yes.
Inside that?
Okay.
Please?
See? There's your chicken.
Look! My chicken!
Good job. Second chicken.